business idea RideText. This is a project built by Musa, Nick, Arjun, and myself, Shaun. Taxi companies all over Canada operates on call centers where customer calls the operator and the operator finds a taxi by speaking over a radio. This requires multiple full-time employees working 24/7 for the company, which is not cost effective, and new employees require extensive training before they can get started. The solution to this was ride-sharing applications like Uber, but it came with its own drawbacks. Uber was only successful in big cities and provinces. Provinces like Newfoundland are left out. Not to mention, it charges very high commission to customers, and remote areas with poor internet connectivity cannot make much use of it. This is where RideText comes in. Using RideText, customer can book a taxi with just one text message without any use of the internet. Once a customer messages the address, the system automatically finds the nearest taxi. It is so much less hassle than using an app, and it can save taxi companies a lot of money.
Technologies used for a project. We have used Flutter Flow for our front end using the Flutter framework, and then Firebase to incorporate authentication in our app, Twilio for the messaging service for the users, and then finally Node.js to handle backend queries, and also Buff to implement Google Maps API, secured and fastly. Now, this is the workflow for our app, and this is what happens on the backend when a user sends over their data over to us over a messaging service. So their data has been processed through various checks, and then finally it's sent to the driver to accept their journey. And if the driver accepts, the users get an automatically generated reply showing them that their journey has been accepted.
The main thing to note about our business model is that we have a 0% commission charge applied for each ride, which is lower than the industry standard of 20 to 25%. Existing mobility service providers can integrate our system into theirs in order to widen its customer base. Order cancellation and no-shows will incur a charge of $10, which will then be divided between us and our partner. Our partners will be charged a flat monthly fee of $299 per vehicle as we're utilizing the SaaS model. Our competitive advantage is increased accessibility for customers due to the SMS-based ordering system, lower startup and app maintenance costs as we only have UI for the drivers, higher scalability, limited legal liability as we're not employing drivers directly, and the lowest fees in the market. This is the customer side demo. As you can see, we are sending a text with our address to the RideText number. Our RideText number will direct it to our backend system, which will then match us with the driver. This is the driver app demo. This is the login page. This is the home page. This is the order acceptance page. This is the maps page after you accept an order. This would be the order completion page as you are approaching the destination. This would be the order history page. This would be the payment confirmation page. Thank you so much for your time.